Rolling.
Hey, it's Frank from 40 Honeybee, and I am going to hive this 5-frame nuke, which was a split that I did. It's the BC split. So it's the second line of genetics that I want to expand on in this yard. So I saw it about 3 weeks ago, and the queen was in there, and she looked like she was already laying. So hopefully we get it moved into this box. This becomes their new permanent home. And I forgot to bring extra frames. That's what I forgot.
Oh my gosh!
I forgot to bring extra frames, because this is a 10-frame box and there's only 5 frames in there.
Why don't you steal frames from that one and put in?
What we'll do is we'll put the 5 frames in here.
Okay.
And then I'll just come back later and put, like, for one day or a few hours, nothing will happen. But if you leave a big empty space, the bees will make an absolute mess of it. So let's see if we can find her. In the ideal world, I would find her and mark her, because she shouldn't be a virgin queen. Let's see what we got. The world is less than ideal, especially the world of honeybees.
That's right.
All right, let's go. Okay, decent number of bees. I actually expected there to be more, but I don't really care how many bees there are, as long as the queen is in there, healthy and laying. Yeah, there's a decent number of bees. There's bees on all 4 frames, and what I have to remember is that this was a 3-frame split just 3 weeks ago. Okay, let's see what we got now.
Yeah,
looking for a queen here. Maddie, no pressure, but you found the last 2, so you know what to expect.
I'm looking for her.
This is an absolutely perfect frame. They've drawn this out. And this is ready to
pretty.
lay. So this side they haven't touched yet. So that's okay. We'll make this an outside-ish frame. We'll probably keep their 5 frames together. But sometimes, well, we'll definitely keep their 5 frames together because I don't have any more. But sometimes you can checkerboard them to try to induce them to build out new stuff faster. This is a perfect frame for queen laying. There she is right there. Oh, she's big and fat.
Whoa, she's huge.
Wow. Okay. Let's see if I can catch her and mark her. Not many bees there.
She's chilling. There she is. Hey, girl. Wow. She's so pretty.
Where is she now? I've lost her. Oh, yeah. Okay. Gosh, she's huge.
I know. Wow. Get in there, Dad. You got it.
Mister. Oh, jeez. She flew into the box.
Oh, girl.
Where is she now?
Not gonna be.
Did she jump back on the frame? I think she did, because she's not on the box now.
She's a sneaky queen. They're not going to be happy we dropped their queen.
Well, she jumped. She didn't actually
You know what? She did that to herself.
Okay.
Oh, there she is.
All right. Good eye.
She's in a good spot, Dad.
Yes, she is. Wait till she comes out.
Get her.
Oh, come on, I had you.
Get that queen. Get that queen. Nicely done.
Okay.
I didn't do the best job at filming
That's
that.
okay. So now,
There she is. Good girl.
what we do is just apply a little bit of pressure here to get her up. I'm going to prepare the mark. This here is a blue queen, so I always just dot myself first. Get her right side up.
Oh.
And we're just trying to get her thorax there in a space. Nope, too much. See how her wing's sticking out? I don't want her wings sticking out.
No.
Oops.
Oh, shit. Shoot.
There's a good spot. Okay, let's get her there. that's gonna be it. No muss. Look at that queen. You okay there, queen?
She's so pretty. I love her. Oh, I'm not even recording her.
She's desperately trying to get out.
She got places to be.
Yeah, things to do. Okay, so we're gonna set her aside here and let her dry off. And then we'll get the rest of the frames in. Look for, oh yeah, look at all the brood here. Look at all the brood.
Amazing.
See all the larvae?
Wow. They do look like, whoa, holy smokes.
See if you can get, settle down, see if you can get a close up in there that shows a worm or even an egg.
I see, we got the worms. We got the worm action. It's like a really good spot, like right. Here we go. Lots of them in there. Move, bees. Get out of the way.
Okay. Let's put her on back. Alright, so we'll just move the rest of the frames in. She's a good queen. Hopefully I didn't disturb her too much. How you doing there, queen? You know what I find happens? Tell me if you think this. I find that with this sponge and with this queen marker thing, their legs get stuck in the sponge.
She
I think
looks
that's what's
really
going on.
stuck.
It looks like her 2 front legs are stuck there. She just got one out. The second one is not out. And then what happened the last time I went to release a queen is she was in that kind of position. She got the leg unstuck and then took off flying. So I gotta make sure that doesn't happen this time.
It'll stress her out.
I'm crazy about that sponge for some reason. Why that happens?
It's probably, it has so many baby holes in it. It's just so easy for her to get her little tiny feeties stuck in there.
Let's see what we got here. We have more larvae.
Ooh, yeah.
Eggs. Just starting to lay. All right.
Do you want me to stop filming?
Nope. You're good. Keep
Okay.
going. So we're just drawing this out, not particularly nicely, but this might be a frame that I end up removing and putting, just painting it over with wax again.
What does that do?
If there's not enough wax on the frames, they don't draw it out well. Take a look at this one.
Ooh.
Heavy with time. I can't even hold it.
Wow, wow, wow.
Okay, yeah, so if it doesn't have enough wax on it, they kind of draw it out funky. And it ends up bad. Okay, so let's get this queen back in. She's completely released from the foam now, so I just really want to make sure that she doesn't fly away.
Good call. Do you want to film a short right now?
Yep, that's what we're doing. Okay, so we're releasing this queen. I'm just going to try and release her.
Do you want me to take
Right
the
like this,
video?
right into a frame. No, you video on that.
I'll video you videoing
Yeah, yeah,
yourself,
release.
videoing the queen.
There she is. There she goes.
Go.
Oh, come on, queen. You're almost there.
Come on, girl.
She doesn't want her freedom. She doesn't want to go to her kids. I know what that's like.
Shut up. You love me. Come on, girl. Look at them all. They're like, Mom, come home.
She's out now.
Yay.
There she is.
There they go.
There she is. All right.
Cutie.
Another queen. All right.
Nicely
let's get this on here. And then we'll gradually move this hive where it's supposed to be, where they expect it to be. And then we have to bring some more frames. All right, so this queen, this is the BC Generation 2 queen. So it's 2025. BC G2. So July 18, marked blue. Lane. All right, so again, why I'm so happy about that is that this was the queen given to me by 86 Off-Road, Derek Bowden, and he's got a great line of bees. And so now I've got 2 sets of BCBC queens here. So I've got a local queen line of DNA, and I got the BCBC line of DNA, and that should be really good for this yard. So thanks, Derek, and thanks everyone for joining me.
At 40 Honeybee.